Hey Afrik, this is Leili Machinery, your trusted direct factory from Henan, China, with 15 years of industry experience.
Engineering and job. Whether you are working on rocky ground, medically or city soil, our machines power stores without slowing down, max power, max profit, and performance motors. Get your work done faster, so you take on more projects and carry more. Maybe just for you need a custom process, extended head or special feature. If you are a contractor, builders and engineer from all over the world.
Drop a comment below and let's grow your business together.